everybody, this is Maria Dolan, Marketing Director of Carteret Mobile Park. Today we're looking at the continuing progress of a new manufactured house. This is already sold. This is at lot N-2, and we still have to do the gravel in the front where you see those cones. And what you're going to be seeing here is the yard. Let's take a look at the walkway. So here's the entrance to the house up there with the beautiful porch, and this is the back part. So beautiful shed here is missing. It'll be coming soon, and the propane will be in this little area here, right there. Beautiful color. Here's the steps for the back door. So I believe the air conditioner will be coming this week. The propane's coming, and I believe the air conditioner goes right here. So there's a little ramp down. And hey, there's Mr. Dolan and Mr. Dolan. Hi guys, how are you? So really wide steps. This is awesome. And this beautiful porch. And let's go inside and see the progress. Wow. Hello, surprise. And this is a 4-generation family-run business. We're Dolans of DolanHomes.com.
What I was trying to do is hide and then surprise you.
And you did. Wow, this house looks huge now that we've opened it up. The last time we did a video, we had the two walls, the two parts of the house not connected yet. So this living room is enormous. These are beautiful thermopane windows with these awesome blinds that now pull down. You don't need strings anymore. Wow, this is lovely. Let's put that up. Another window there. Very sunny. And the manufacturer supplies us with these beautiful little valances. The shades and the valances stay with the house. So how about you show us around the house? So I don't think the lights are on yet, right? The kitchen's enormous. Look at all this cabinetry. I love that glass backsplash. So we still have a lot of work to do here. Wait, I gotta do one thing at a time. So here you have the bronzite countertop, the glass backsplash. This is what they call pearl, which is really like a white tone. It's got a little bit of a blue undertone, which picks up from, I guess, whatever the tile's made out of, which is glass. So you've got these European pools, you've got adjustable shelves. I guess we got to put this shelf up. You know, there's still a lot of work to be done here. We've got LED lights throughout, but this is awesome. Oh my gosh, it's so magnificent. So what you saw here is the marriage wall. This wall here is called the marriage wall. So they framed it out, and they put the support all the way across. So now we got to get the painter to spackle and make that all look like it was never two parts. The hallway's even big. All right, let's take a peek inside the laundry room. So the laundry room is papered walls. The rest of the house is drywall.
This is the laundry room?
Yeah, they got to bring their own washer and dryer there. So we're looking out the window. This is where we were a moment ago. And these are custom steps that we built here. So this is a really great, yeah, we finally made the steps. Remember we were climbing up the ladder? So let's open some of these and show them inside the cabinets. Really nice. There's a little peek in there. And there's more laminate flooring there. And I think there's the box and the parts for the fan. So we'll put that together. You got a thermostat here.
I'm gonna show you.
Well, open this door. Open this door, please. So here is your, I believe, electric hot water heater. So that's a lot of space in there, and it's in a great location. Which room should we go see first? The master bedroom or the bathroom?
This is one of the bathrooms.
Very good. So this is the hall bathroom, and this bathroom has the one-piece fiberglass unit and the transom window above. And again, the papered wall. This is great moisture-proof wallpaper. Hello. And again, we did the bronzite in here with this beautiful Canoe Birch cabinetry. That's what that's called. All right, now across the hall, we've got the master bedroom. And in here is a closet that runs the whole length of this wall. And in here we're storing the storm door screen doors.
Surprise!
Again. So we've got a lot of things to put up. The shutters. This flooring is linoleum, and it actually matches really nicely with the laminate flooring in the impact area. This bedroom is also, look in the closet. Okay, let's go look in the closet. You're full of surprises today, aren't you? All right, show us in here. Well, look at that. We did the shower door, the glass shower doors in. You want to slide that open and show people how it works? Very nice. So why don't you go inside there and sit down? So this is a one-piece fiberglass shower stall with 2 seats. So you got 1 seat there. Now sit on the other one. And the other seat there. Oh, that's even better. Make a bridge. Very cool. All right, and you got a transom window above.
I couldn't do that for that long because it hurt my forehead.
Oops. All right, I'm glad you're better. Here's the commode, obviously. Little window that runs
I just don't like
vertically.
it because it's hard.
Makes a lot of room there.
I don't like it's hard, but I can make bridges if the what I'm going on is softer.
That's right. Everything in here is pretty hard, right? So again, the bronzite countertop, the Canoe Birch cabinets, and this particular unit is the cosmetic box. And it's really nice. Look at those lights above there. When we turn on the lights, we'll do another video and show you. Oh, that's a better way to do a bridge. Nice, good job. All right, now let's take a look at the last bedroom. So these are 2-panel doors. That looks really nice. The floor is gorgeous, like I said. Now let's go in here.
Surprise!
Again, a surprise. Here is your hot air furnace. This is run by propane in this particular community. Now the door needs to be done, and this also runs, your central air conditioner runs through that. Oh, this bedroom is big. Wow, this is bigger than normal. This is probably the biggest house we'll ever be able to fit. We took 2 small lots and made it possible for this 2-bedroom, 2-bath multi-unit to be put together. All right, let's open the closet and see what we got in here.
Surprise!
Again. So this is very exciting. So if you're interested in buying a house, what do you need to do? Go to the website. Go to the website and fill out the contact form. It's my home in Carteret.com. Answer the 15 pre-qualifying questions, and then I'll respond to that by giving you the informational email and then go over your answers with you. Please make sure to look at the rental policy. I give that to everybody. It's on our website. It's in the email, and that way you know what is necessary to qualify here. And after that, I can send you financing if you need it. And after that, I will send you the COVID instructions for mailing in your application during the time that our office is closed to the public. We look forward to hearing from you. Any more surprises? Okay, come join our wonderful family here in Carteret Mobile Park. It's a land lease community close to the turnpike that has surprises. Bye.
That was lots of surprises.